Most of us have really awesome memories of summer dance camps and intensives. Summer dance programs are when dancers get to spend all day doing the thing that they love, dancing in the studio, taking classes, learning new choreography and new styles from new teachers, and hanging out with their dance friends. Summer dance season can be awesome. And they can also be a breeding ground for dancers picking up harmful and toxic beliefs and habits. So today I want to share a personal story with you to give you an example of what I mean and talk about how we have to do better and how we can do better for future generations of dancers. So I was at a summer dance intensive when I was a teen, maybe like 15 or so. And this intensive was out of town at a college. So I was staying on the campus dorm. And when it was time for lunch, my group of dancers would all walk down to the school cafeteria. So the cafeteria had lots of different options for food. There was a salad bar, Subway, a Pizza Hut. It was your typical college campus cafeteria. Now, all week, I chose to eat from the salad bar. Not because I loved salad, but because I knew that my dance teachers and my chaperones were watching me. They'd never say anything directly, but if a dancer sat down with a few slices of pizza, they definitely got the side eye. So knowing I was being watched as well as feeling like I should eat salad because I was always very aware that I didn't have the ideal dancer body, that was made clear to me in a million tiny ways in every dance class I had ever been to, that's what made me choose to eat from the salad bar all week. Now, at the end of the week, on the last day of the intensive, all of our parents and friends were there. They were invited to watch classes all day and be there for the performance that we were all doing. My class was all sitting down to lunch with our families and our teachers, and one of our chaperones said to the entire table, "Katrina is so good. She ate from the salad bar all week, and I was so impressed. She just makes the healthiest decisions." And at the time, I loved this praise. It felt like all my hard work from eating nothing but lettuce all week had finally paid off and I was being noticed, and I loved it. I also loved the approval from the teachers and the parents who were sitting at the table with us. But really, that comment was totally messed up because what I was being praised for was restrictive eating and the beginnings of an eating disorder. But as a 15-year-old, I didn't know that. I was just eating up any kind of praise that I could get because that's what dancers are taught to do. We look to our teachers for praise and affirmation and we crave it. And that's what I was doing. And I know that the woman who made this comment didn't mean any harm. She probably truly meant to compliment me and didn't know any better. But that's just the thing. We have to know better. We have to start bringing mindfulness and awareness to our comments about food, bodies, and eating with dancers, yes, but with humans and people in general. Because what that comment left me with was the belief that salad is all that I should eat, that salad is the only acceptable food for dancers to eat. That comment and comments like that perpetuate the belief that dancers should perform and work all day and eat nothing and be sustained by nothing. It keeps dancers, dance teachers, and the dance community believing that we should be superhuman, but not human. Dancers function better when they eat. Humans function better when they eat. Did you know that the whole 1,200 calorie a day recommendation is appropriate for a toddler? A toddler or an 80-pound dog. It's totally true. It has to be true because I found that out from TikTok. Okay, I'm joking. I did my research after I learned that from TikTok, and you should too. And we should all start thinking about the shit that we say about dancers, food, and bodies and eating, because most of what we've learned and what we've inherited is bullshit. Before the world and the dance world told you what it was okay to eat and what wasn't okay to eat, our bodies told us. We knew how to listen to the wisdom of our bodies. When our stomach rumbled, we knew, oh, okay, that's hunger. And we ate something. We didn't chew gum to suppress our appetites or drink a glass of water and play on our phones to distract ourselves from being hungry. And I want us to get back to that. I want better for my students, and I know if you're still watching, you probably want better for your students too. So, here's what we do. Number one, visit the links in the comments below this video. I've left a link for a free download for how to talk about these topics with your dancers in a way that's actually supportive rather than scarring. Two, the second link that you'll see is for a wellness workshop that I created with my friend Nicole Sabella, who is a dancer and a nutritionist. The workshop has a video training from Nicole and I all about nutrition specifically for dancers. It also has a workbook that you can use with your dancers so they can be properly and healthfully informed about how to nourish themselves during summer dance camps and beyond. These are holistic, thoughtful materials that will stop the toxic and harmful cycles and habits we have around food and eating in the dance world. So I really hope that you'll take a look. Feel free to keep the conversation going in the comments. Let me know if you have had a similar experience to this. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care, eat well, and let's keep building better for our dancers. See you later.